All right, I just hit 500 subscribers, and so I wanted to make a video to share what this journey has looked like as I've been building this channel. The channel is brand new. I've only had it about 90 days, so to hit 500 subscribers in the short amount of time, I've obviously had to learn a lot along the way, and there's some things that are working and things that didn't work. Now, I will say this. I hit the 500 last week, and today I just hit 600. I'll probably post this video in 2 or 3 days, so who knows where I'll be by then. My goal is to get to 1,000. Why do I believe that this channel has had the success that it's had? For one, when I started making content, I got crystal clear about who I was trying to make content for. In other words, I had to create an avatar, a person that I was trying to record my videos for. And the easiest thing for me to, or the easiest way for me to do that was to make it for an older version of me, the person that was trying to grow and develop, the person that was trying to work on their mindset, the person that was trying to change their financial circumstances. Because this channel is predominantly about crypto, investing, wealth building, mindset, and macroeconomics. And so those are the kinds of things that I make on my channel. Now, why was it easy for me to make these videos? Well, I firmly believe, that the crypto space provides the biggest opportunity in the shortest amount of time for the average person like you and me to build our wealth. And I also understand that it's very, very important that people take action now. The reason for that is our economy is changing right now. Our financial system is changing. We are going into a new financial infrastructure. And with that, there's going to be a lot of people that get left behind. Now, why do I look at the crypto space? Because the financial system is changing and everything is going on the blockchain and everything's going to be tokenized. That's where we can find these crypto projects that are going to be part of the new infrastructure. And we can invest in these projects now while the prices are low, and we can have major, major upside. So that's my belief, and that's what the channel's about. So that's what I share. Now, the other thing, when I'm making my content, it's really important for me to be authentic. We live in a world right now where everything is so cookie cutter and everybody is trying to be like everybody else. I don't want to do that. I want to be like me. I have my ideas, I have my thoughts that I believe, and I'm passionate about them, and I want to share those with the world. And so why would I want to sound like somebody else? So when I'm making my content, I'm not going to ChatGPT and using them to tell me how to make my content. If I do that, I'm going to start sounding like everybody else. In addition to being authentic, you will notice when I record my videos, I do not edit them. The only editing that I do on my videos is I cut off the front and I cut off the back. Other than that, I just hit record and I talk. Even the other thing I should say, I don't script. Like even right now, I just messed up what I was going to say. I'm not going to go back and edit that. That is not me being authentic. And it's hard for people to relate to people that aren't authentic. I don't care if I mess up my words. I don't care if I forget what I'm going to say. I just hit record and go. Another thing, look at the car that I'm sitting in, okay? I'm sitting in this vehicle that I paid $1,000 for. It has 270,000 miles on it. There is no shame in my game. Most content creators or people that don't have an idea are trying to fake it. They're making videos in cars that they don't even own. Like, I'm driving this car because I'm trying to change my financial circumstances. I have another vehicle that I put on Turo that I can rent out. But this car, I'm not ashamed of it. So I make content in it. I don't care what other people think. And the more true that I can be to myself, the more that I'm going to resonate with other people. Okay. The other part of being authentic and not editing my videos, part of the reason I don't edit my videos is because I want to make things simple. To me, the more complicated that I make this process of making content and putting it on YouTube, the more complicated it is, the less likely I'm going to do it. So I try and keep it super simple. Hit record, say what I want to say, get it off my chest, hit stop, put it in my computer, cut off the front, cut off the back, and it's ready to go. If you look at some of my older videos when I first started, I was spending so much time trying to make the perfect thumbnail. I was spending more time on the thumbnail than I was actually making the content. And I was like, this isn't fun for me anymore. So now if you look at my videos and my thumbnails, it's literally the beginning of my video. I just cut that, make that into my thumbnail, and I put some words over it. I do minimal editing. The reason for that is it's making it simple. And by making it simple, it's allowing me to be more consistent. And I think that is one of the things that's allowed me to have success so far is the consistency. When I first got started in posting, I was posting 5 days a week, regardless, okay? 5 days a week. And there were times where I was getting 15 views. And there were times where I'm like, man, is this even worth it? I knew because I've done other things worthy of mention. I've opened a couple of businesses. I've lost weight. I've written some books. I've done some hard things. And I know that in all of those accomplishments, it wasn't necessarily about the result. It was about the action that I was taking daily. So anytime you're trying to build something, and this works for anything in life, you have to focus on what activity are you doing daily that is going to lead to the goal that you want. I can't worry about how many views I'm getting. I can't worry about whether I'm gonna get the subscribers or not. I just have to hit record and post the content. The rest, it's just a matter of time. It'll happen. So it's knowing your audience, who you're making your content for. It's being authentic. It's keeping it simple, staying consistent, and one of the biggest ones is not worrying about what other people think. I've learned to just pick what is important to me and talk about it. I believe in God. I'm a Christian. I'm a father. I'm a husband. I like jujitsu. I like coaching baseball. I own a couple of businesses. And I love crypto. These are the things that I talk about. And if somebody doesn't resonate with that, then who am I to care whether or not they watch my videos? I don't want them as subscribers anyways. I don't want them watching my content. I want the people that relate to me because that's who I'm making my content for. So I'm not worried about what people think. And it's funny because I get trolls in the comments. I actually don't care. I actually poke back at them because I understand that it helps the algorithm. I just have reached a place in life that I just don't care what people think. And again, I've had some success in other areas like my Instagram account. I built that up to like 25,000 followers. And with that, I've made some viral videos and I've learned to understand that you really can't care what people think. And no matter what your beliefs are, there's going to be people that agree with it and there's going to be people that don't agree with it. That's not for you to worry about. So these are the things that I've done in the 90 days that I've had this channel that have led to some of the success that I've had. And so I'm just going to keep doing it at this point. I'm trying to get to 1,000 followers. I'll reevaluate at that point. I might make some changes to my content. I do want to go live. I do want to have some people on, maybe some guests and go over some chart analysis and things like that because it is a crypto channel. And so I will make some adjustments, but my first goal is to get to 1,000 followers. If this video helps, let me know, leave me a comment. If you like this content, please subscribe. If you resonate with any of the things that I shared with you, subscribe. And that's all I got for you. So until next time, I hope this video helped you and we will talk soon.